Hi guys, I have a final project in this course for you. It's called Smoothie Generator. So you have some starting points, so it means some basic code. You can go to the textbook and copy this code. The textbook or the link to the textbook is in the description of the video, and you can just copy it, and this is the main point. Okay, so now I will show you how it works, and after that I will create this code with you. So please try to do it by yourself. It's very similar like the code with password generator. So I will show you how it behave. So now I have Smoothie generator. This is my starting point, and I will run it. How many fruits do you want? So we have some fruits here, and we ask how many fruits. So for example, 3 fruits. How many liquids do you want? For example, 2. How many extras do you want? For example, 1. And how many toppings do you want? For example, 1 as well. And here your smoothie recipe, and it mixed everything together. So it means that you need to choose for example, here 3 fruits from this. It will be a random choice. Number 2 or 2 liquids, so it means 2 items from this list, and so on and so on. And after that you will print it out, and you can shuffle it as well. Okay, so you can see how many fruits. So we have a strawberry here, banana, correct? Banana. And what's the third one? Like coconut water, no. Milk, no. Kiwi, correct? Kiwi is the third one. Okay, so you can shuffle it. So now you know how it works. How I said, it's very similar to password generator. So you can check the password generator code, inspire there, and finish this code. So I will start as well. So I will close it. And this is my starting point. If you go to the textbook, you can copy all these with these comments as well, so you exactly know what to do. Okay, so let's go. So we can start. So we have a smoothie generator here. Okay, we have imports, we imported random, and we have some ingredients. Perfect. So now we need to receive some user information. So at first I will just print something like smoothie generator, like welcome text, and now I will put here num of fruits. But guys, I hope you try to do it by yourself. Okay, so number of fruits, so it will be integer, it will be input, because we need to ask the user how many fruits. And again, we can write here that we would like have a new line here and ask user how many fruits he or she needs. Okay, now how many liquids? So num liquids. It will be integer as well, and input. How many liquids do you want in your smoothie? Okay, it will. Oh, sorry. It will. Just a second. I switched my keyboard accidentally. What is going on? Okay, perfect. Okay. Number of liquids, number of extras. So everything is integer, right? Because they are numbers. How many extras do you want? And number of toppings. Integer, input, how many toppings. Okay, perfect. Don't forget to check sometime that everything is okay. So I don't need to print it, just run it. It will ask how many fruits, how many liquids, how many extras, how many toppings. Okay, so it means there is no error. Perfect, I like it. It seems good so far. Perfect. Now choose random ingredients. So we know how many ingredients the user wants, but we don't know which. So random fruits, so we know how many fruits the visitor or the user of the application wants. So it will be, for example, 3. Okay, so it means again we random choices. Okay, choices, no, not choice, choices, from which list? From this list. So fruits, from fruits. And how many? Key is my fruits. Oh, so sorry, no, my fruit, number of fruits, num fruits. Okay, num fruits. Perfect, and I think it's correct. So we can check it only for sure. That's everything, it's okay. So for example, 3, 1, 1, 1. Okay, and we have 3 fruits. Perfect. So I can delete it because it was only for control. And now random liquids, random choices again, but now from liquids. And how many? Num liquids. Perfect. Now random extras, so it's random choices, and here will be what? Extras, so it means this list. And how many? Num extras. So the key, it means how many? Num extras. Perfect. And the last one, random toppings, random choices, now toppings, and how many? Num toppings. Okay, so toppings and num of toppings. Perfect. So now we have a list. Okay, so first list, second list, third list, fourth list. Perfect. Now we need to create a big one, so it means one big list. So smoothie parts, we can say it means random fruits plus random liquids plus random extras plus random toppings. Perfect, and I will print it out. So we will see what happens. So these are 4 small lists, and we will create a big one, and I will print it out. Okay, how many fruits? 3, 3, 3, 2. Okay, we got it. Everything is perfect. So here should be 3 fruits, 3 liquids, 3 extras, and 2 toppings. So you can check it, but it should be absolutely okay. Perfect. Now I would like to shuffle the list. So we just go random shuffle, and what I want to shuffle? Smoothie parts. Okay, so be aware that it isn't right like something like this. Okay, no, this isn't correct. So a better option is shuffle, and after that, if I will print it, smoothie parts, so you will see that it's shuffled. Okay, so 2, 2, 2, 2, for example. You can see this is the normal list, and this is shuffled list. They are absolutely the same, like the items are the same, but they are only shuffled, they are mixed up. Perfect. And now I would like to print as a string, not as a list. So we will create a variable called, for example, result, and I will store their empty string. So, and now we will use a cycle. So it goes about, or it is about smoothie parts, correct? So for one part, like kiwi and so on, in smoothie parts, and now the result will be the result plus part. Okay, so it means from smoothie it takes the first thing, for example, strawberry, save here, and the result is empty plus strawberry. So it means here is a text. Here is the text strawberry in the result. After that, they will go, for example, I don't know, kiwi. It will store here. Result is strawberry plus kiwi, and it will be stored here. Okay, perfect. So now I want to print the result, and you will see. So 2, 2, 2, 2. So this is the origin list. This is the shuffled list, and now we have the result. Okay, perfect. I like it, but there is a small problem that there are no spaces. Okay, no spaces between the items. So it means we can just separate it by a comma, for example. So it means if here is empty string and here is, for example, strawberry, so you would like to put with empty string the strawberry and comma. Okay, so now we can see how it works. You can see apple, comma, comma, perfect. I like it. If you would like, there could be a comma and space, for example. I would like to I will stay with the comma. Okay, perfect. But now if I will print it, or you can see it here, the problem is that here is the comma and nothing is there right after the comma. So I would like to erase this comma. So how does it work? So it means we need everything from the result. It's a string, but the result, do you remember how it goes? That it means if you this means, for example, this means from the start to the end, from the beginning to the end. So it means everything. We usually wrote it like this, but it means if you write here -1, so it means that it's end after the or before the last item, the last letter in the string. Okay, so if I will write -1, sorry, it should go here. Sorry, like this. Remove last comma and space. So yes, we could put here comma and space and separate it. And if there is a comma, you just need a -1. So it means don't take the last one. It means the last letter of the string, and it's comma. Okay, if there will be a space and you would like to erase comma and space, so it means you should write -2. So it means 2 letters from the end. Okay, so I will go here and result is here. Okay, so I will print result here. This isn't important anymore. I will print a result here, and after that I would like to print a result here. Perfect. Just a second, I will run it one more time. So how many fruits? 2, 2, 2, 2, and you can see, okay, we have, it's still there. Oh, sorry, I forgot to erase the space. So now it should work. Okay, how I said, this will be -1 if there is only comma. If there is a comma and space, here should be -2. Okay, so it's up to you how you will do it. Okay, I will run it. How many fruits? 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, it's here. Just a second. Okay, I got it. We don't need this, correct? This is the result, and I forgot that we print already the result. So perfect, that's it. Maybe you are right that with comma and space it's better, right? So it should be -2. So I will run it one more time. So 2, 2, 2, 2, for example. So this is the result, but here is a comma and space, and we need -1, -2. Okay, and it goes like this. So this is the result after this operation. Okay, I hope guys you understand. So now we just print the result, something like your smoothie recipe is result, because it's normal text, correct? But here we need to make some changes. So here we will erase 2 last letters from the string, and we will store it in the result again. So when here we will print it the result. Okay, so 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, your smoothie recipe, coconut water, cinnamon, chocolate chips, and so on and so on. And I think it looks great. And here, how we said, it's a comma and space, and this isn't here. Okay, that's why this line. Perfect. So now we can just print it out or comment it out, the print, and now it should work perfectly. So we will check it. For example, 3, 2, 3, 1. Okay, your smoothie recipe, this. Okay, perfect. I like it. So I hope guys you understand what is going on here, and I hope you like it. So I hope you were able to do it by yourself.